So Cardano just recently surpassed 3 million ADA wallets, and this was a huge milestone for the project, as in recent months, they have started to see exponential growth in terms of developers building on their platform. Today's video, I wanted to take a minute to talk about everything going on with Cardano right now in terms of price, but also in terms of some huge announcements and projects that have recently gained a lot of momentum on Cardano. So let's start off with first. Right now, Cardano just surpassed 3 million ADA wallets, which is like we first mentioned. This is a huge milestone because recently they had just hit 2.5 million wallets in December 24th, 2021. So since December 24th, 2021, they have already added 500,000 new wallets. This is a lot attributed to NFTs and new projects that are rolling out on Cardano's ecosystem. If we look at the growth over time, we can see that they have a pretty consistent growth and they're continuing to grow at a steady rate even after surpassing big milestone after big milestone. So it doesn't seem like they're going to be slowing down anytime soon. And another key thing to remember is that since Christmas 2020, they have increased the number of wallet addresses by 1,200%. So we've seen so much growth in the ecosystem, and really things are still just getting started. The second thing is that Cardano just recently had proposed two big updates to the blockchain. The first was really to help eliminate congestion issues, which was with block size. Cardano developers continued to increase the network capacity, and IOHK came out on Twitter and announced the other day how they were going to be increasing block size by a further 8 KB, taking it from 72 KB to 80 KB. And the second update that they had was that developers were also going to be increasing Plutus script memory units per transaction from the current 12.5 million to 14 million. Basically, boosting these settings enable the development of more sophisticated scripts, and really just makes it less likely to have congestion issues. Because when we saw Sunday Swap roll out, there were a lot of congestion issues. People's transactions didn't go through right away, and there were a lot of people upset that, you know what, you tried to have a swap on a DEX on Cardano's blockchain, and it wasn't going through right away. So this is going to solve those issues. The other thing that's recently happened with Cardano is that we've also seen that Cardano-based DeFi protocol called Meld recently had 100 million native tokens staked in just 3 days. So Meld came out on Twitter the other day, and they said in just 3 days we've managed to get 100 million Meld tokens staked in the Meld protocol. You guys are amazing. And this is a Cardano-based project that is really designed to help with lending and staking protocol. So this is a huge deal because through their model, they say basically users will deposit crypto that is to be locked in their account before borrowing loans based on the locked collateral with backing from Cardano. So it's just another Cardano lending protocol, but this is huge to see more and more developments. In addition to Meld, we've also seen ADALend sign a big contract with Robots Network. Robots Network is a software company, and ADALend is very similar to Meld. They're both lending protocols, but again, we're seeing more and more development on Cardano's blockchain as of recently. And because of this, we have been able to see Cardano's price hold a very strong support at $1 per coin. It's held at $1 per coin for the last year or so, even when the market has had a big correction take place. We've consistently been able to see that $1 per coin support been able to be held even when other big projects have seen significant supports broken below. So right now, if we're looking at Cardano in terms of price, we have seen that $1 per coin support held. Now we're starting to rally back up about 5%, and we're at $1.10 per coin. The next big milestone for Cardano to break through is going to be right around $1.21 per coin. It shouldn't be too hard, as we've seen a lot of new projects, a lot of growth in the ecosystem. And then after that, I'm expecting it to rally very quickly to the next resistance, which is $1.60 per coin. So really, right now, Cardano is in a great place in terms of development. We're seeing new projects launch on it every single day. We're seeing new upgrades take place to the blockchain. And on top of all this, we're continuing to see Cardano's price maintain and start to now rally higher. It's in that number 6 position in terms of market cap, only behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. Obviously, there's USDT and USDC. But right now, Cardano's in a great position in terms of development, in terms of its overall blockchain, in terms of new projects being launched, and I'm very bullish on the project from where we're currently at. Last thing I wanted to quickly address is all of the new announcements, all the new developments coming out of Africa. Recently, there's been a number of new surveys come out from Africa about crypto and blockchain development in the across the continent over the next couple of years. And they say across the entire continent, there's going to be so much widespread adoption of cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and this is huge because Cardano has recently had major talks with a number of governments all across the continent, and that is going to be something really exciting to see how that plays out. So anyways, that's what's going on with crypto right now. Let me know your thoughts about Cardano, what's going on with the market, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys.